Hey, this is Jeremy from Sembly, and this is a quick overview of our new custom intakes. With custom intakes, you can browse our library of insurance-specific intakes, use one you like or start from scratch, customize it to fit your agency's needs, share it with your prospects and clients with a link that you can embed in an email, text, or even your website. And as your prospects fill it out, their answers will automatically populate your accords and other forms. To get started, I'm going to head to my Custom Intakes tab and click New Custom Intake. Now I have the option to either start from scratch or import an intake from our library. I'm going to do that. Here's our library of intakes that you can add to your account, customize, and share with your clients and prospects. I'm going to click on Commercial Property Quote. Here I can review the intake tab by tab, make sure I like it, and then I can add it to my account by clicking Use this form. Now that I've added this intake to my account, I can make any changes I want. I can edit questions, delete questions, and create new questions. This question asks, how did you hear about our agency? I'm going to add another option called From a Friend. I'm going to pick an icon from our library of animated icons. I don't have to do this, but it makes the intake look a little more friendly. I'm going to drag and drop this into place before the other option. And now I'm going to click this plus icon to create a new question. I can choose from short answer, long answer, multiple choice. I'm going to add a short question and type, what's your friend's name? And now I only want to show this when the answer to how did you hear about our agency is from a friend. So I'll pick that option, from a friend, click save, and now I have this conditional logic. Now, I'm pretty happy with how this looks. The last thing I can do is remove or add questions from Sembly's library of questions. And the great thing about these ones is they're actually synced with the accords and supplements. So any responses to these questions are going to automatically populate my forms. There I removed the SIC code question. Let's just quickly look through Sembly's question bank. I'm going to add the NAICS code question to my intake. All right, and I'm pretty happy with this, so I am going to share it with my prospects. I'm going to click the share button in the top right corner, and here's the link that I can use to blast out to prospects, put on social media, embed on my website, whatever I want. When a prospect clicks on it, this is what they see. Is this your first time working with us? Yes. How did you hear about us? From a friend. What's your friend's name? I'll just type Dan. And now I will say, are you a company or person? Type your company name. I'm not going to fill all this out now. I'll just provide an email. Let's say teamacme@example.com. And when my prospect hits next, even without answering the other questions, as long as there's a name and email, this prospect has now been automatically added to my Sembly account. So let's head over to my account, go to the Insureds tab. I'm not going to see prospects created by default, but if I hit this Show Leads, here's Acme Inc. I can take a look at my prospect. I'll see the intake that they were working on. And now the really cool thing here is I can add accords and supplements to the intake or create a new submission with my accords and supplements, however I want to do it. Let's add 125 and let's add a property section. And now I didn't answer a lot of information here, but just to show you, I'm going to head over to the Forms tab, scroll down, and right there is all the information that the prospect added.